Hey y'all, today we got the brand new Trxx4 K10 Cheyenne Sport Edition. So this is not the High Trail. But I picked this up today from Fields Hobby Center. Great little hobby shop out in Cheektowaga. There's the specs. So it's more or less the same thing as like the regular K10, well, like the regular Trxx4. You get the 3S power, you get the XL5 system, 21 turn motor. This does have the clipless body system, which I'm thankful for because who likes body clips? So with this being the non-high trail, you don't get the special 2-speed transmission, the locking and unlocking diffs. And obviously you don't get the lift kit, nor do you get the 2.2 tires, you get 1.9s. So we're gonna go ahead and crack this thing open. Honestly, I don't even know how it does open. This box is different than what I thought it was, to be honest. Okay, I thought it opened like a kit box where it like opens up. Okay, we'll do this way so y'all can see it. So, move the body out of the way because I don't need it. Body in the way. Alright, start off with you get your regular Traxxas TQ. I believe it's just a 2-channel. Throttle, steering, that's all you get. No, 2-speed, no flip up here for the differentials. That side. Styrofoam. The best part about unboxing RCs is the styrofoam. That's a total lie. So, here is the truck. Oh, that looks amazing. Wow. I believe that's it in the box. I'll just double check here. Yeah, that's all you get in the box. So, what you get in the box is you obviously get the TQI transmitter. And then you get beautiful truck, obviously. You also get owner's manual, I'm guessing. I haven't unboxed the Traxxas in a while. Well, that's a lie. I haven't actually looked at the paperwork in a while. I just unboxed Trx4 K10 High Trail. Oh, can't see it. There you go. Just unboxed that a couple months ago. I unboxed a Traxxas Slash 2-wheel drive. That's got the BL2. I think it's pretty nice. And then the Bigfoot Stampede. So we'll open this up. Do the boring part. Might as well. Why not? So, in here you get your. This is a. Oh wow, this is new. This is a quick start. Kind of quick start. Little booklet here. So you either need a 6 or 7 cell nickel metal battery or a 2 or 3S LiPo, which I don't know if I have any of those. Might have to just run an adapter. Which I wouldn't recommend running adapters, because they can be sketchy, but I've always ran them for my entire time being an RC and never had an issue. Yeah, it kind of tells you exactly what to do. Ooh, I don't know if they included batteries with the transmitter. They didn't. They stopped including batteries with the transmitter. So this is your warnings and guidelines. I'm not looking at this because there's not really any warning besides the LiPo battery, and as long as you balance charge it, storage charge it, and keep it in a LiPo safe container, which I keep mine in ammo cans that I drill holes in and kind of get them good. I take the seals out just so they have room to breathe in case a LiPo does start smoking. So you get your warranty card. I don't fill these out. I probably should though. But, you know, put all your information right there. Top of that, you get Allen wrenches. So I believe, so you get the, what's that called? The wheel wrench, maybe we'll call it that. I believe it's got 4, 5, 5.5 or 6, and then you get 7 down here, the big one. So you get a, what looks to be a 1.5 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and a 3 mil, or 2.5. Yeah, 1.5, 2, and I believe 2.5 millimeter hex wrenches. So we'll put these to the side. I run MIP bits, so I don't need to worry about those. Let's get this body off and see what's all there. Yeah, I walked into the hobby shop and I was like, let me see if they have this thing. I've been eyeballing this thing for a couple weeks now, ever since it came out. Been trying to watch videos on it, but there's not many. Hence why I decided I'll make one instead of just, you know, unboxing it for myself. Do I gotta take the body off of this? I don't think so. Maybe I do. Well, let's start off with this. So another thing that I don't think any of the other Trxx4s have, besides the M's, clear windows. You can finally, they finally added clear windows. They did it on the minis. So as you can see, Mini K10, clear windows. Mini Bronco, clear windows. Clear windows. Wonder if like a nice interior is next. Nah, they would never. But I think there are some available for this. So, oh yeah, this thing is wrapped up like Fort Knox. There it goes. There you go. Look at that beautiful red. Look at that. Not sure on the color, what the exact color of the truck is, but I've got a 98 Chevy and it's like identical, and that's Victory Red. So I'm gonna guess it's like a Victory Red or like a race red. But let's get the body off. So for the clipless system, you just put your fingers under here. You can't really see because there's no light, but right here, there's little tabs. Boom. Oh yeah. I haven't had a new crawler in a hot minute. Boom, and you just lift up. Look at that. Look at that. That exoskeleton they got too. That is really beefy. You're not gonna worry about floppy bodies no more. Hoping this lasts though. This little lip here with the sliders being there. I'm hoping it lasts. I had a Blazer that was converted to LowTrail, just kind of just like added a lift kit on it. And that thing, that body was beat. Got the plastic off the bumpers. Gotta walk though, this plastic's really on there. Boom. So, another thing you'll notice, obviously, you have the 1.9 tires, glued, vented, you know, just the average Trx4 kind of canyon tire thing, you know, the stock tires are glued, whatever. So these are hubcaps, I think. Yeah, they're screw-on hubcaps. You got the rally wheels with a nice chrome beauty ring. That looks real nice. So, chrome bumpers. These are supposedly heavy duty. Chrome bumpers, front and rear. Now, believe, so I believe this is one of the only sports that has the inner fenders. Besides, obviously, the clipless ones, where, like, you know, all the sports I've had, they haven't had fenders. But on top of your, well, looped onto your battery cable here, XL5 easy set tips, kind of just, you know, tells you how to turn it off just by holding that button on the XL5 ESC. Like I said before, 21 turn 550, XL5, 1-speed transmission. As you can see, you don't have any diff servos, 2-speed servo, nothing. Pretty nice truck though, I'll tell you that. Another thing, if you want to add the light kit, I'm pretty sure, yeah, if you see here on the body, that's the front, that's the rear. It has the light buckets, and you can easily just pop lights in. So you can pop a Pro Scale kit or a regular lighting kit in. Another thing, rock lights. You could put rock lights in this. They have the slots there. Just take the one screw out on each end, you know, put them in. This obviously has the TRX portals. You know, they're classic portals. One thing though that really bothers me is between the high trail and this, besides everything else, the diff cover. It's that gray, it's not chrome. That's the one thing I wish they would have done on this. But it's a really nice truck overall. You get the 2075X steering servo. I've never had any issues with it. Besides, when I first got my first ever crawler, I drove it a little hard and put the front tire right into a curb, and it just destroyed the servo horn. And then I put a new one on, and then stripped that out, and it was a whole shebang. But now I just run shift RCs and three BRC. I got a G13 from them, and then the shifts XB, which is probably what I'll do for this. Or I might leave it stock, I don't know. But, yeah, I mean, just, that is a really good looking truck. They did a really good job on this. Another thing, yes, it's basically a sport, but to accommodate for the Chevy body, they did have to stretch the chassis, so you can't just put a regular sport body on there. So to put the body on, it's been a while, I believe you just put it over the back and kind of pop it over the front. Then once you feel like you got it in place, you could, oh, I don't got it in place, see? Oh, here it goes. You can feel it set in, you just push down, I believe those are in the right place, yep. Boom, that's it. That is a really clean looking truck. That thing looks absolutely amazing. Oh. You get a trailer hitch too. So you can pull a 10 scale trailer. I don't know about y'all, but that's a really good looking truck. That is not a bad looking truck. Well, I'm gonna get a running video for you guys. That'll be in the next video. I gotta charge batteries up and buy some batteries for the transmitter, but that's a really good looking truck. I can't get over it. I think after tax it was $480, which is honestly not all that bad compared to what all of my other crawlers cost. But not bad at all. We'll just take a little look at all the detail they got here. You got the tailgate badge, chrome trim, sticker. It's all decals, obviously. All around. Got the Cheyenne sticker there. So on the body, molded door handles, molded mirrors, molded wipers too. I didn't even notice that. Molded wipers. Ooh, molded turn signals. Front grille is all molded. The rear, I believe the rear is just taillights. Yeah, just the taillights. Yeah, that is a really good looking truck. Wow. Definitely gonna have to get it dirty here pretty soon. Might have to build it up a little bit though, but I'd like to get a stock running video for you guys. I'll probably get that out. Oh, I don't know. I'll try to get some filming done tomorrow, but it might not happen. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, and go buy one of these. These things are really nice, and everyone hates on the Traxxas platform and all that. My only issue with it, it's just hard to clean with all the you know, like how tight everything together is. I've got 10.2s that literally is easiest thing to clean. But once you get to a truck with inner fenders like this, or like an SCX 10.3, gets a little harder to clean. It's a little bit of a pain, but honestly, I'm not that worried about it. This truck looks amazing, well worth it. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Consider liking, subscribing, and be on the lookout for a running video of this thing. I will get one out. I will try. I promise I'll try.